to get a really good result, you have to actually clean around all your door frames first, and your little ledges, which we use the green glove. And any signs, we can use the green glove. Clean them all off. So once you've done that, and if you're a little shorty like me, you can actually get up around with the green glove with a little extension handle. So now the window cleaner. I've actually been inside and I've filled it up with water. I've tipped water onto here, and then I put 2 drops of our pH neutral protective formula on the squidgy, and I rub it in, I massage it in. So this holds the water actually into the fibres. And just to show you how it works before I put the extension on, you clean, and you see actually the protective formula stops the water running. You clean and dry. You clean with your wrist down, and then you dry. You don't turn it over like you see all those other window cleaners. This is why this is unique. It's actually a patent as well. So we clean and we dry. So I could do this whole window very quickly. So we need to wipe our blade when you get to the top. Run it down, and your hand almost dips to collect the water in it. We wipe our blade again. We start. Now I've got a little bit of a signage here, so I'll just go around the signage. And then we go around the signage again. Now how easy is that? Look, if you've missed a little bit, just use your star polish cloth and go in one way. Don't go backwards and forwards, because you start leaving lint. You just go one way, dry off and walk away. Okay, for those people who've got high windows, we have an extension handle. And we're going to go onto this window now. You see it's actually on a slight angle. This is a 2 metre pole, which is 1 metre, and it goes to 2 metres. So it does extend, but I don't need to extend it up. So we clean down as far as we feel comfortable. We leave it sitting on the window, and we turn it over, and then we squidgy off. Now, how easy is that? And this is how you get your beautiful clean windows. And when you get to the where you can reach and you feel comfortable, you take the extension handle off, and you finish off manually without the extension. Wipe the blade when you come halfway with the window. Wipe the blade. Now if you get a line, it's because you angle it the wrong way. The water runs uphill, and it will run. So you need to slightly angle it and overlap it. So that's how we do windows. And if you want to just go around the corners, you can use your extension handle just to pick up any little bits that you missed. Isn't it so easy?